Daddy's coffee. It's iced coffee. So you put this in here. Then you do that. Do that. And then you can do 1 cup hot water or 1 cup or 2 cups. I'm going to do 2 cups. And then I'm waiting. I have to go get the milk. Get the milk. And that's how you do it. Coconut milk you do. That's how you do it. Coconut. And then you go back where you were. Get in the milk. Then come here and follow. Get a spoon like this. And then get this out. Then get the milk. Pour the milk. Tell you can stop. You want to stop. And then you put that. And then watch. Ice. Then you put it here. Second of all, you mix it together. Then get this out. And then you do this. And wait until it comes out. And just put this here where it won't get everywhere. Done.